Hello again. In this video, we're going to look at two verb tenses, the present simple and the present continuous. You will need these two tenses to talk about your job skills and to prepare you for the job search process. We will examine each of these tenses, when we use them, and practice their forms. So, let's begin by looking at the present simple. We use the present simple to say if something happens all the time or is a usual activity. For example, I am an English language instructor. I teach English. I live in the United States. I work at a university. You can see that I'm using the present simple because I'm speaking about things that happen all the time for me and our usual activities. What about you? What do you do? Are you a student? Do you work? Where do you work? You might answer, I'm a student, or I work at a clothing store, because these might be usual activities for you. Let's look at another example. This is Marco. Marco is a student at a university. 2 days a week, he also works in a doctor's office. He answers the phone, he writes emails, he speaks with patients. These are his usual activities. Okay, so how do we form the present simple? Well, it's not called the present simple for no reason. It's actually pretty simple to form. You take the base form of the verb, and that's it. For example, I teach English. Teach is the base form of the verb to teach. The only exception here is the third person singular. That's he, she, Marco, the teacher, or it. In this case, we add an S or an ES to the end of the base verb. For example, Jane works in a hospital. She teaches medical students. She likes her job. Next, let's look at the present continuous, or as it's sometimes called, the present progressive. This tense is used to speak about actions that are happening right now, or right about now. For example, right now, I'm speaking to you about the present continuous tense, and you are learning how to use it correctly. Notice, in this sentence, how I use the present continuous. I'm speaking, and you are learning. I'm using the present continuous because this is something that I'm doing and you are doing right now. So, we use the present continuous to talk about an action that's happening right now. Remember Marco? Want to see what he's doing right now? Well, Marco is checking the calendar and making an appointment for a patient. We form the present continuous by using the verb be in the present form. That's am, are, or is, and then adding the base verb plus ing. For example, Marco is working in the doctor's office. He is typing an email. So, to sum up, if we compare these two tenses, we can see that the present simple is used to speak about actions that are happening all the time, or usually in the present. The present continuous is used to speak about actions happening right now. Now, why don't we look at an example where we use both of these tenses? Let's look at Marco again. Remember, he works at a doctor's office. He is also a part-time student. What's he doing now? He is getting ready to leave the office for the day. He's shutting down his computer, he's turning off the lights, and he's locking the office door. Bye, Marco. To sum up, in this video, we've looked at two tenses, the present simple and the present continuous. We use both verb tenses to talk about job skills and to prepare you for the job search process. We looked at each of the tenses' forms and usage. Now, Let's do a game to practice those verb tenses some more.